In order to set notification sound for a specific conversation on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, first you need to open the Messages app. And I'm going to show you based on the Google Messages app as well as the Samsung Messages app. So first, Google Messages. Let me quickly set it as default. And now what we can do is select the conversation, tap on these three dots in the top right corner, go to Details, then tap Notifications, and over here you can choose a different sound. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And now this conversation with this person has a different notification sound. However, if you use Messages app by Samsung, let me switch. Then what you need to do is pretty much the same thing. So go into the conversation, tap on these three dots in the top right corner, but this time choose notification sound over here. And now we can choose the sound that you wish to use. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. And then let's go back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.